Hello, welcome back to my channel. So this is just a quick video of how to do like a very easy face mask. I got this face mask kit from Koi Happiness. You can go ahead and follow them on Instagram. So they went ahead and sent me this kit to do 2 face masks. This kit also comes with a instruction sheet of how to do things step by step. So for step 1, what you want to do is lay your pieces of fabric together. So you want to have the nicer side inside. And if you need any dimensions, let me know and I'll post it down below. I also didn't have any sewing pins and I had to use needles so that my fabric doesn't move. And I also made sure to use a marker to trace my lines so that when I'm sewing it comes out straight. And yes, I am doing hand sewing. It's not the best, but I thought it'd be more simple to do it since it's like a very small piece of fabric. While I was sewing, I made sure to go back and forth so that I can make sure my stitch is very strong. So even though you're stitching forward, just try to stitch backwards also so you can make it more strong. Once I was done sewing both sides, you want to go ahead and turn your fabric inside out so you have the nicer fabric outside. So this next step is a little tricky, but all you have to do is fold the fabric, and not much. It says 3/8 of an inch, but I didn't do much. And then you want to go ahead and sew it, but go ahead and leave a little space at the corner where you're going to go ahead and attach the elastic. Once you're done sewing the sides, you want to go ahead and insert the elastic and sew on top of it. And I went ahead and sewed back and forth many times so I can make sure it doesn't fall off. In the instructions, it also tells you how you can have your face mask in a 3-fold, but I decided to just leave it plain. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments.